Are you curious what you can get for $1.2 million in Dana Point? I know that a lot of people are. Housing prices are going crazy, but today I'm gonna show you just exactly what you can get for $1.2 million. So follow me inside my newest listing. All right, so welcome inside. The first thing somebody's gonna notice when they walk in that door are ocean views. So this property has a decent, I would say more than a peak of an ocean view. It's pleasant and it's more than a peak. It's gonna be of the horizon. You can see boats, so it's definitely an ocean view house. What people are loving about this home are the vaulted ceilings. The wood and the accent over the fireplace, along with the volume of the ceiling height, is a super attractive feature right now. This home was actually custom built by the sellers in the 70s. So it's not updated by any stretch of the imagination. These wood floors are original. The carpet's newer, but it's not expensive carpet. But it's super clean and super livable. In fact, let me show you the kitchen. Follow me. All right, so this is probably a better example of the home's overall condition. It's clean, you can move right in, but these countertops are older. The cabinets are older, and that's why this home is priced, a little over $1 million. And there's been a ton of activity on this property. It's getting multiple offers, so it's probably gonna sell for over the asking price. But generally speaking, this is a great value in Dana Point, and for an asking price of $1.2 million and right around 2,000 square feet, this is a great value. All right, so this house is a reverse floor plan. So living space, kitchen space upstairs, then bedrooms and bathrooms downstairs. So now we're on the downstairs level, and if you follow me, we've got 2 secondary bedrooms downstairs. So these are gonna be kids' bedrooms, office, guest rooms, something like that. Then there's a third additional bedroom here, right in front of me, and I'm backing up into the master bedroom. So good size master, plenty of room for a king size bed and nightstands with a good size dual vanity master bathroom. That's key. So this becomes a very, very attractive home to somebody who's looking for a family house, a professional who needs some office space, maybe 2 offices, 2 people working from home. So it's really an attractive, again, I'm gonna get back to it, a nice value for Dana Point. All right, so this is one of my favorite spots of the house, the outside area. This is a deck off the master bedroom, and then there's a similar, even bigger size deck off the living area. And the purpose of this video is explaining and showing you what you can get in Dana Point for $1.2 million. And if this house didn't have these decks, if it didn't have such an awesome backyard, the price would be different. It would probably be closer to $1 million. But this home with, the square footage, vaulted ceilings, 2 really killer decks, and a nice backyard with some ocean views, that is why the home is priced at $1.2 million. So it's all about a combination of mixing and matching what you want. Do you have to have the outside space? Do you have to have the decks? Do you have to have a view? Because this home as a total package is probably gonna sell for over $1.2 million, over asking price, with multiple offers. But if you were looking for something a little bit less or a little bit more, we can definitely find it. But this is a great baseline for what you can get in Dana Point for $1.2 million. So if you have any questions or you need my help finding something like this, drop a comment below or shoot me a text message. I'll see you on the next one.